guys, Amma's here. Happy New Year to you all. Hope everyone had a nice Christmas and good New Year's. As you guys might remember, if you guys have been a long-time subscriber on this channel, about last summer I mentioned I had a new project in the works with a large company from the States. They just give me the go-ahead to announce and show my work to you all. So you might have noticed in the thumbnail that I've done some official sketch card work for Rittenhouse Archives, who are a large, a non-sport sci-fi collectibles company in the States, and I was invited to draw some one-of-a-kind sketch card mini portraits for the 50th anniversary of the Lost in Space cult TV hit show. It coincided with the release or the reboot of the Netflix special. So if you guys have been watching that, and it might have piqued your interest in the original show. So here is my first video on one of the sketch cards that I've drawn, and as from the thumbnail you've probably guessed it.
Yes, spare us your ridiculous remarks, you insensitive idiot.
So without further ado, you can watch that drawing video right now.
For me.
I will. Goodbye.
Especially Will.
Yes. Goodbye.
Farewell, Dr. Smith.
I detest drawn-out departures. Go and get it over with.
Yes, get it over with.
Yes.
So there you are, guys. That was the video. That was the drawing. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you, all the artists among you, learned something from it. And for the collectors among you, I wanted to show you the original artist return card. So this is my return card from Rittenhouse Archives themselves. You can see the original drawing, and that is the back. You see it's marked with the official licensing from Rittenhouse Archives and Lost in Space themselves, and you see my signature there as well. So again, guys, if anyone is interested, this original is available for purchase. You can, if you want to get in touch with me, you can just drop me a comment on the video, drop me a message on the back of my channel, or maybe drop me an email. That's fine. Either way it works. Again, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in seeing more of these, then more of these are coming your way. So if you just hit the notifications bell, and you'll find out when I'll be dropping another video. In the meantime, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and share. But for now, take care.